In 2019, a Vanity Fair article named Facebook, the least popular company in entire Silicon Valley, confused many users as Facebook has made a reputation as the world's biggest social networking site on the internet. However, through surveys from the public, government, as well as some scandals like rigging elections, company changed its name to Meta in 2021, hoping to unfold a new chapter in the metaverse powered by virtual reality. Our shared hatred for Facebook can be explained by Campbell's law, which touches upon the psychology of decision making. If an attribute has much more weight in decision making, it is more vulnerable to manipulation. Facebook is a company that values an attribute called daily active users (DAUs), so it employs sophisticated algorithms to keep users on its platform. By showing users what they want to see, Facebook inadvertently or intentionally created a public opinion platform that is so powerful that it could divide countries. The story also has high value to our design community. Don't prioritize a single or two attributes, but look at your product from a generic perspective. Most importantly, you should never rely on a single attribute to evaluate the performance of your product, because it could be as misleading as dangerous. I hope this tip was helpful. Don't forget to visit our website at void.com. This is San. You are watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next video.